I have a crushed box that is basically open. So you know what that means. It's another episode of Come On Shop Disney, really? I assumed that this box was a perfect square when it was sent, but as you can see, it more resembles a trapezoid. You'll notice that it's only taped in this teeny little corner right here. I'm not even gonna worry about whipping out the knife to cut this thing open, because all I gotta do is this. And we're there. What's in this box does not warrant a package this big. So let's see if those items are in acceptable condition. So we've got 10 pounds of air cushion wrap, which again does absolutely nothing for what I'm having delivered. Packing slip, advertisement, and 2 pins right here. The first pin I have is actually in very good condition. It is the key pin for the 25th anniversary of the Hunchback of Notre Dame. The second pin that I have is also in good condition, again surprisingly, with the way that it was packaged. This is the Minnie Mouse pin set of 2. One pin is Minnie Mouse as the Statue of Liberty, and the other one is the Disney Store New York official. I don't really know, it's a little circle, kind of looks like a manhole cover. This pin was released right before the 4th of July, and I was thinking, oh, that's pretty cool. But then I'm looking at the back. It says 2018. I guess they just decided to release it 3 years later, even though it just popped in 2021, right before the 4th of July. Well, I have it, so. Have you received anything from Shop Disney that's looked like this? Have you bought pins or anything similarly small and it came in a box this big with just a little bit of this as packing material? Put it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation on your experiences with Shop Disney. Maybe someday Shop Disney will see that not just 1 or 2 people are having an issue with this, it's most people. I look forward to reading your experiences with Shop Disney, but until next time, remember, no capes.